discussed about the relationship between mass of the substance and number of moles. Now, we are going to discuss the relation between mass of the substance and number of molecules that were present in the given substance. Once again, I remind you that if we take any substance in grams equal to its molecular weight, then that is said to be gram molecular weight or gram mole. And 1 gram mole of any substance will contain Avogadro number of molecules. So, molecular weight. So, now we are going to discuss about the relation between mass and number of molecules. So, molecular weight if you take any substance in grams equal to molecular weight, then it is said to be gram molecular weight. This is also called as gram mole and is also called as mole. Now, 1 mole of any substance will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, this is the relation. So, if weight of the substance was given, we have already known to calculate the number of moles that were present in it. If you know the number of moles into Avogadro number will give us the number of molecules. So, for number of moles, we know that mass of the substance by gram molecular weight will give us number of moles, and number of moles into Avogadro number will give us the number of molecules that were present in the given substance. Now, let us take one problem. Calculate the number of molecules present in 22 grams of CO2. In any problem, when it was related to molecular weights, or the number of molecules or the volume, whatever they are asking, the first thing that you have to know is the molecular weight of the substance. What is the molecular weight of the given substance? Now the given substance is carbon dioxide. So, molecular weight of carbon dioxide is equal to 44. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44. So, if you take 44 grams of CO2, then it will be equal to 1 mole. And 1 mole of that substance will contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, 44 grams of CO2 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 CO2 molecules. Then 22 grams of CO2 contains how many molecules? Automatically less. So, 22 by 44 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, 22, 2 times and it will be 3.0115 into 10 to the power 23. So these are the number of molecules that were present in 22 grams of CO2. Now we are going to discuss the relationship between number of molecules and mass of the substance. Calculate the number of molecules present in 8 grams of oxygen. Calculate the number of molecules that are present in 8 grams of oxygen. Any problem, we have already know that to calculate the number of molecules, we should know the molecular weight of the substance. Now here the substance is oxygen. So oxygen molecular weight is 32. Molecular weight of O2 is 32. So 32 grams of oxygen if you take, that means gram molecular weight of oxygen is equal to 1 mole. So 1 mole of any substance will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. That is the standard relation. So 32 grams of O2 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules. Then 8 grams of O2 contains how many molecules? 8 by 32 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This is 4 times 1.506. This will be 1.506 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So the number of molecules that were present in 8 grams of oxygen is 1.506 into 10 to the power 22. Calculate number of molecules present in 8 grams of hydrogen. Here they are asking about the number of molecules that are present in 8 grams of hydrogen. Here also the same thing. First you should write down the molecular weight of hydrogen. Because for some important gases, you should note the molecular weights. They won't give us the information. I have already told you. You should remember the molecular weight of certain important substances. If any new substance is there, they will give you the molecular weight. But for the regular elements which we are come across in the so many lessons, for such elements they won't give us the molecular weights or atomic weights. So here the molecular weight of hydrogen is equal to 2 grams. Sorry, 2. Molecular weight is 2. So if its molecular weight is 2, 2 grams is its gram molecular weight or gram mole or mole. We know that 1 mole of any gas will contain Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So here 2 grams of H2 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Now they ask us to find out the number of molecules that are present in 8 grams. So if 2 grams contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, then 8 grams of H2 contains how many molecules? So 8 by 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So remember the formula. This is the weight of the substance. This is gram atomic weight and this is the Avogadro number. So if weight of the substance was given and they asks us to find out the number of molecules, the general formula that you may remember is number of molecules is equal to weight of substance by gram molecular weight of substance into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This is the general formula. In any problem, you can use this formula. Number of molecules is weight of the substance by gram molecular weight. This is nothing but number of moles. So you can also write number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. If mass is not given, sometimes they will give you the number of moles. Then directly you can calculate number of moles into Avogadro number will give us the number of molecules. Now I will give us that type of problem now.